Hello everyone, welcome to CAD NEST. In this video, we are going to see how to use the CAD software CAD. So if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please do like, share and subscribe to our CAD NEST YouTube channel for more updates. So let us go for the design environment and let us see how to use the CAD software.
Then again we have chamfer option separately here. In some cases we need asymmetric chamfering, that time we go for chamfer, and here you will be specifying the edge same as before, and here under cross section we will be specifying your symmetric or else asymmetric chamfering. If it is symmetric, both the edges will be taken, that is 25 to 25. If it is asymmetric, you will be specifying the two distance, that is one end I will be taking as 10 and the other end I will be taking as say 30. Like this we will be getting our chamfer option. We can change the direction also like this, then give it as OK. So this is about chamfer option.